Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chawnta, and today I'm going to show y'all what I use to hang my porch decor and how it works. So these are the vinyl siding hooks that I use to hang my signs, decor, and lights, but I also use them for something else. So stick around so you can see what else I use them for. Y'all ignore this mess on my porch. If you're a subscriber, you know that me and my husband purchased our fixer-upper, and so we're working on it. That's why y'all see the bathroom vanity and drywall and a whole bunch of other stuff out here. So just please ignore the chaos. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can keep up with our fixer-upper solutions and progress. Okay, these are the heavy-duty vinyl siding hooks. So they hold up to 12 pounds, so they're for your heavy-duty outdoor decorations. All you have to do is just roll them into the seam. You can remove them very easily, so they're very convenient if you want to redecorate on the whim. I've had mine for 2 years now, and I have no complaints. They haven't stained my vinyl siding at all. If you're like me and you change up your decor, you want to change up your color scheme, your theme of your porch, or your front porch, then these are perfect for you because you can move them around during different seasons and holidays. I don't know why I've never heard of these before, but I was searching on Amazon and I found these, and so I wanted to share them with y'all. But I've seen and I've looked up online what other people use them for, and I've seen them use it for their Christmas decorations, parties they're throwing. They switch out their normal decor for the party decor and signs. Seeing people use all kinds of things, and it's just so convenient. If you want to preserve your vinyl siding, I suggest these. I highly suggest these. You don't have to worry about putting any holes in your siding. There's no tools needed. It's very easy to install, and you don't need any adhesive or anything that's going to damage your siding. See, now y'all gonna laugh at me because I took these smaller siding hooks and I hung up my broom and my fly swatter with these things, okay? Look, I wanted them out of the way. My kids, they like to lean stuff up against my screen, and next thing you know, I see a little small hole in my screen, and then it gets bigger and I have to repair it. So I poke holes in these things if they don't already have a hole. I go buy some twine or ribbon and work it through the broom handle and through the fly swatter and hang it up, and then it's neat and to the side, and it's handy I know where it's at when I need it. Y'all, I had to collect myself. I was about to go off on here. Okay, so back to business. Okay, for the second pack, the only difference between that one and the first one that I know of is that the second brand, well, you can get it in either a 4-pack, a 6-pack, a 10-pack, a 20-pack, and that one only holds up to 5 pounds. So I'm not sure of any other difference between the two. I'll make sure below in the description that I put the link to where I got these from so you can get them yourself.